Now, tomorrow is Monday, and NIO will be giving us their August deliveries. This is something that is very, very interesting because a lot of the investors of NIO, on a month to month, we anticipate or we look forward to this report, because not only does it tell us, of course, the deliveries that NIO is selling generally, but it also breaks it down per brand. You will know that under the NIO main brand, there are NIO models, there are Onvo models, and there is a Firefly model, which is the second sub brand after Onvo. Now, tomorrow, like I said, we are getting to see those deliveries, and so many of the people, or so many of the new investors, including non-NIO investors, they want to see exactly how many vehicles is NIO going to sell. But something very interesting that you already know about the NIO deliveries is that President of NIO, Queen Lehon, has already highlighted that sales are expected to exceed the 30,000 this month, or for the month of August, which, knowing that the record or the all-time high for NIO is just over 30,000, which came last year December, we already know, or there is a very high possibility that the deliveries that we get tomorrow are all-time high, which is why they are so interesting, these deliveries, because what people want to know or want to actually see is how far can NIO go with the deliveries for this month of August. I mean, that report is the first of the one of the important reports that we're going to get to receive from NIO. Moving to Tuesday, is very, very important for NIO. What the kind of report that we are seeing on to NIO, we see it once every quarter, and that is the quarterly earnings, right? We are going to see NIO reporting the Q2 earnings, which, boy, I must say, if there's something that is very important onto NIO this week, is this report. Because this report, coming from Monday, we will already know the deliveries for the first 2 months of quarter 3. And on this report on Tuesday, we are also going to get a guidance which will tell us how many vehicles is NIO expecting to deliver in September. But I can tell you something, it's going to be very, very interesting. It's going to be so good because already we know that the orders of NIO are exploding. The orders of NIO, especially because of the Onvo L90, especially because of the latest products that NIO launched, we are seeing the orders exploding. Deutsche Bank has already made a projections or estimate to say that NIO orders for this month is going to be around 57,000, which the breakdown that we got, I think Electric Brothers also confirmed this. There is another official page that sort of like confirmed what Deutsche Bank said, which that page also breaks it down to say that 40,000 from the 57,000 will come from Onvo, then 15,000 from NIO, and then we've got 2,000 from Firefly. This is what is expected, or this is what the orders are looking like based off the report that we recently received. So on Tuesday, we are going to not only get the earnings in terms of how NIO performed financially in quarter 2 of this year, but we are going to also get the delivery guidance of the cars they are expecting to deliver in September, which is very, very important. And depending on the outcome of the report, NIO share price will either make a short squeeze going up or drop sharply, because what is important on those earnings, as I've highlighted to you already, is that people want to see the net losses of NIO come down. That's number one. Number two, people want to see the earnings per share profitability, NIO getting closer to break even. These are some of the things that people want to see. People also want to see the gross margins of NIO. People want to also see cash at hand. These are some of the key terms or some of the important stuff that personally, before I even go through the report thoroughly, this is what I check first, because I know that with this, I already have a summary of the NIO earnings, right, and what they are expecting in this current quarter. So those are the few things that I'll be closely monitoring, or when I open the report, I'm going to just go straight there to see how many vehicles is NIO expecting to deliver in quarter 3. How is the earnings per share of NIO, and how much money do they have at hand. That will be very, very important, and I look forward to that. You will know that for Q2 or quarter 2, NIO sold over 72,000 cars, and that is that's a pretty good, decent delivery. And like I said, I think this quarter, NIO has got a chance to come and drop a delivery guidance of around 100,000 cars, which will be so great, so amazing. And I must say, I look forward to what is coming. So yeah, man, I remain long, I remain strong onto NIO, and like I said, I thought I come and give you these updates. I mean, on Tuesday or the very same Tuesday, before even the Q2 earnings, we are going to see the insurance registrations that will tell us exactly how NIO performed in this week where we are in, right? Week ending today. And I must say, it's going to be a very, very interesting week for NIO, this one, because like I said, I believe that since we are in the last week of August, what we usually see from insurance registrations, the figures usually come more or come better than the first 3 weeks. And I'm hoping that this last week NIO gets to probably 10,000. It will be so great if NIO can get or can take their monthly deliveries, their weekly deliveries, to over 10,000, because the last time we saw this, it was back in December of 2024. But again, with what is coming ahead, with the lineups that are coming, I think we need to brace ourselves, because when the ES8 starts with the selling, I'm telling you, it's going to be lights out. Otherwise, I don't want to make this video too long. Tell me what you think about this. Blue sky is coming, long term will win, and those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will most definitely be rewarded with time. Like this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because it takes me some time to make videos like this. I will see you on the next one, my dear friends. That is all from me, and God bless you all.